Hey friends, welcome to my channel. So in this workout routine, I will tell you 3 best exercises to reduce your bust fat or your breast fat. So these are the 3 exercises that you must do daily in order to reduce your breast fat. These are the best exercises. For these exercises, you do not need any kind of equipment, but yes, you can take a pair of dumbbell if you want to increase the intensity. So let's do it. For our first exercise, I'll keep my hands like this and take them forward by squeezing my chest like this. Make sure you are squeezing your chest. Little back bend and squeeze. 20 of these. 1, 2, follow this routine with me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Great job. You can do this exercise by grabbing a pair of dumbbells as well. So I'll show you how can you do it with dumbbells. Holding dumbbells like this. Squeeze and release. Squeeze and release. So like this you can do it with using dumbbell as well. Now for our second move, I'll keep my hands like this and squeeze my chest again like this and release. As you can see, I am bending a bit and then squeezing my chest. Okay, so let's do 20 of these again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Great job. Now last but not the least, for our last move, keep your hands like this and cross and take it back. You can do it with dumbbells as well and without dumbbells as well. Just hold your dumbbells and do it like this. So let's do 20 of these. Holding hand like this and 20 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So you are all done, but don't forget to wear a good sports bra in order to get the fast result, because sports bra provide the support that you need. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. So wait for my next video. Bye bye.